When people see DEEP Robotics DR02, they don't ask, where does this robot belong? They ask, why isn't it doing my laundry? And that's the confusion. Scroll through the comments and you'll see it instantly. One person says, useless. Another says, cool dance but show real work. Someone else jumps straight to job loss or military takeover. But here's the reality. This robot was never meant to be impressive in the way people expect. DR02 isn't built to entertain you. It's built to survive. Most humanoid robots live soft lives, clean labs, controlled lighting, perfect floors. Put them outside in rain or dust and suddenly they're done for the day. DR02? It's IP66 rated, full body. Rain, humidity, dust, the stuff that quietly kills most robots, is just part of its workday. That alone changes the category it belongs to. And then there's the temperature range, minus 20 to 55 degrees Celsius, cold storage, hot workshops, wet outdoor environments. That's not future home assistant territory. That's industrial reality. So when people complain, why is it dancing? They're missing the point. Those movements aren't choreography. They're balance tests, control checks, stability under motion. If a humanoid can't move smoothly, it can't lift, carry, or operate safely around humans. Movement comes before labor, always. There's another detail most viewers completely overlook. This robot is modular. Arms off, legs off, fast replacement. That's not a flashy demo feature, or that's an engineer saying, this machine is meant to stay operational. Factories don't care if a robot looks cool. They care if it can be fixed fast and put back to work. So no, DR02 isn't here to clean your house. It's not here to shop for groceries, and it's definitely not here to impress the comment section. It's here to answer a harder question. Can a humanoid robot exist outside perfect conditions? And honestly, that's a more important milestone than most people realize. The internet keeps judging this robot like it's a toy. But DR02 isn't a toy that wants a job. It's a worker that doesn't care if you're impressed, and that's exactly why people are confused.